Hello guys, welcome back to GizAddict, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create multi-bootable pendrive. So let's get straight into the video. So to create multi-bootable pendrive, first you need to download a software called Ventoy. So open Google Chrome, then type Ventoy, then click on the first link, then click on download. I'm using Windows, so I will download Windows zip. Click here to download. Then click on the latest release to download. Then download the Windows zip. Now download started, and I will speed up the video. After download complete, click on open folder. Now I will copy the file to the desktop. Now extract the file. Click Ventoy exe file to run. Click on yes. Now connect your pen drive. Then click on refresh. Then click on options and select GPT partition style. Make sure to take backup of your pen drive because everything on the pen drive will be lost. Now click on install. Then click on yes. Again click on yes.
12 seconds later.
Now MultiBoot pendrive created successfully. Now copy some ISO files into the folder. I will copy Windows 8 and Windows 7 and Windows 10 ISO file into the pendrive. Now I will speed up the video.
Few minutes later.
After copying the file, enter into your BIOS. If you don't know how to enter into your BIOS, just open Google Chrome. Then type your model name with BIOS key. For example, I am typing for Dell. So F2 is the BIOS key of Dell. After that, enter into your BIOS and select the pendrive name and hit enter. Now it will boot from Ventoy. Select the OS which you want to install. I am selecting Windows 10. Now you can begin Windows 10 install. So MultiBoot pendrive created successfully. So thanks for watching. See you again in the next one.